Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about one of my go-to drinks anytime I'm exercising on a hot day. If I'm out with my kids, I love to have Gatorade, and this is Gatorade Zero lemon lime flavor. So this is a very nice, refreshing flavor, and the fact that it's zero, you don't have all the sugar and calories in it as well. So it's just nice to have. It has a lot of electrolytes, which is really good, especially if you are exercising and if you're sweating. It's going to keep you hydrated. So it is one of my go-tos. This is one of my favorite flavors too, because I do find lemon and lime very refreshing, and the fact that it's not too sweet is really nice as well. I love to be able to pack it into a water bottle or a water jug that I'm able to bring with me to the gym if I don't want to bring the plastic bottle. I like to sometimes even just have it in a glass of ice, which is very refreshing as well, but that's just my point of view.